All right. Hello. Thank you for coming. Happy Tuesday. A few reminders for you. First of all, keep working on your video. Make sure your group is meeting and coming to an understanding of how the problem works. If your group has not met by now or you're having trouble communicating, send me an email. I'm happy to be the bad guy here to get you all together. Make sure you're working on your project. Thank you for those who have submitted your progress reports. If you haven't, I will be um, commenting on your submission and being mean. Keep in mind that I currently, since there's what is it like? I think there's less than 10 project groups. Um, but there's a fairly substantial number. So I think it might be best to split presentation over 2 days. And so that's why, if you look at the announcement that I sent out yesterday, here's all of our classes until the final exam, because we're in week 14, so we get to do that now. So the plan is for next Tuesday and Thursday to be project presentations, which means if you haven't made a lot of progress, you got to get on it. So if you're further along in your project, you might want to consider telling me to present, you want to present on Tuesday. And keep in mind that since all the deliverables are due that Friday the 16th, I'm not expecting that the project is 100% done, but I would like it to be at least 80 or 90% done. If you present on Tuesday, I'm fine with it being closer to like 75% done. But because there's a lot of people in the class and presentations are going to take time, we have to start that earlier. And just a reminder that we have a final the Thursday of finals week at 1 o'clock. You have to be here, or SDS. So keep that in mind. I will also remind you very strongly that so my policy is the Friday before finals week is the last day for any possible submission. So after midnight on that Friday before finals week, I will not take any late assignments. This is your early warning that this is my policy. So keep that in mind. So I will not accept any late work past May 16th. So that's the project presentations. I think I'll try and have a rough schedule by Thursday or Friday. So talk with your group and next time come up to me with, we want to present on Tuesday or Thursday. And I'll have a more concrete time slot. So talk with your group, think about it. I believe course evaluations are open and available to you, so please fill them out. I'm going to give you at most 10 extra credit points. I will hear arguments as to where you would like these points applied. Exams, assignments, probably not project. But if the majority of the class wants that, then let me know. But yeah, so I'll give you 1 extra credit point for each 10% of the class who completes it. So talk with all of your classmates. You can get 10 points if everybody fills it out. Yeah. All right, so the plan for today, so we have today and Thursday to work on the packet, and there's a lot of packet problems. So we've spent a ton of time on the actor problem. I want to take maybe just a little bit more time and have you write pseudocode, or if you have pseudocode, then share it with a neighbor and have them read through it and critique it to say, I'm unclear on this, I don't understand how this works, or this makes a lot of sense. Something like that. So in general, I would like you to prioritize having a clear and understandable vision for here's how the pseudocode is working, and make sure that you have some like small paragraph that says, here's how my approach works. So these are the two components that I'm looking for. So we'll take maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes until 2 o'clock to work on pseudocode. And then after that, I think we'll keep working on problems. So I'll have you guys split into your neighbor groups or whoever you want to work with, and pick one of the other problems that we haven't looked at. And so that way we'll cover, the class can cover a bit more. Sounds good? Any questions? All right, so pull up the actor problem, pull up your solution, and let's have pseudocode. So either write it with your group, or if you have it written, then have the members of your group read it and critique it. Cool, go for it. Just a reminder, so you worked on stuff in class, gotten a general idea, gotten feedback from me. So go home and write like the stuff in the document, write that up and in like a Word document for the packet. And that's what you're gonna eventually turn in once we've done more problems. Okay, so go home, write your high level idea and write your pseudocode. Thank you. I'll see you next time.